All right, everyone, this is a huge deal that I see in several forums, and several other places online, and customers have contacted me about themselves. When you have Apple CarPlay on the 2019-2020 Chevy Bolt, you cannot see the outside temperature anymore. And it doesn't matter if you're on your Amazon Music, your phone, Waze, Apple Maps, anything. You cannot see the outside temperature. So many people believe there's a lot of steps you have to go through to see it. I'll make this real simple, real quick. You can do this while driving down the highway with barely taking your eyes off the road. Hit the home button once. That takes you to where you can now see your outside temperature. Press and hold it for about 2 seconds. And I failed. Press and hold it for about 2 seconds. And it takes you back to Apple CarPlay. So you can quickly jump out, see your outside temperature, jump right back into CarPlay without having to hit home, go to different screens, do all kinds of stuff to get back to CarPlay. The second thing is how to set charging to 12 amps. So a lot of homes, especially older homes, may have an outlet that is a 15 amp outlet. It is not the best idea to run 12 amps on a 15 amp outlet. It is exceeding its full load, or not exceeding, but achieving its full load capabilities. And if you have anything else running at all, it can become a problem. If you have one like mine where it is 20 amps and you're still charging on 110, you can hit charging, change your charge limit to 12 amps. It'll go through the whole warning about it. Hit OK. Now when you shut the car off, it will automatically charge at 12 amps on your home charger at 110 outlet. Once you get back in your vehicle, start it up and take off, when you come back and shut it off, it will be back to 8 amps. You do have to change it every time if you want to charge at 12 amps.